What up, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back to the buzz. That is that light. What can you do? Drives me crazy too. What's today? Tuesday, front end day. So I'm gonna pop these boxes open. Hopefully we ordered the right stuff. Pretty sure we did. We're gonna find out. And then we're gonna take apart the bad stuff on this truck and put the good stuff on. So that's what's on the docket for today. I already got the front bolts soaking in some penetrating oil. So hopefully they come off easy, a little rust, but nothing that's too crazy. So let's pop these boxes open, shall we? Heavy. It's one big tie rod, dude.
Something steel for sure.
Dude, yeah. Almost looks too big.
So you don't have a new center ring piece, huh?
No, the tube? No. So, got the old piece out. We're gonna measure it just to give us a rough estimate of where the toe should be. Obviously, we're gonna go get this thing aligned afterwards, but this should get us close. And we just gotta bust these turnbuckles loose. Hopefully they don't give us too much trouble. Unthread the tie rods out of the tube, put it back together, put it on the truck. So I marked the threads with some thread tape. Normally we'd use whiteout, but I don't have any, can't find any. Well, I have some, don't know where it is. Anyway, I'm gonna take these apart. Hopefully the thread tape stays. We'll see.
so. Let me put my son on. Oh, fucking, where's the boot?
It's probably on the bench up there. We'll need the nut for this thing anyway, so.
Shit, yeah, that's good.
Ready as I'll ever be.
Amen.
Alright. Oh.
You good?
Alrighty. Now we just gotta hammer them in there. Oh, getting too old, too fat for this.
Yeah? Think so?
I don't think so, I know so.
Oh. It's all a mind thing, Mike. You're only as young as what you feel, you know what I mean?
That's what they tell you.
Uh-huh.
So he does this every day and then comes here and does it more.
It's kind of like, right?
I've done this all my life, bro.
Alright guys, it is the next day and Drew and I finished up the front end stuff last night. Took us a little while to get the steering all straight. It was a little wonky and it's not perfectly straight, but it's straight enough to go down the road. There's an alignment shop that's about 5 miles down the road, so straight enough to get there and have them just straighten out the toe, make sure it's good, because all you can adjust on here is toe, and then you just adjust the steering wheel. So it's pretty close, but we'll just put it on the machine just to make sure. But it's all done, it's all good. Got it back in the truck. I just got to tighten up some adjusters this morning, and that's going to be it. But we'll end it there this time, guys. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down, whatever you feel like doing. But if you enjoyed the video enough, please consider subscribing, and I will see you guys on the next one. We're almost done with this guy. Just a couple more little things, you know, put the rear bumper on and fix that transmission plug, and it's good to go. So until next time, I'm trying to talk too fast. See ya. Peace.